Now, the concept number 7, 1B7, backspace sequence. Backspace sequence is written backslash and lowercase b, backspace. Now, what is the functionality? It moves a backspace sequence should be written in printf statement within the string. Then it moves the cursor one space towards the back, that is number one, one space. And if any character is there, it is erased. The 2 points you have to remember, one space towards left, and if any character is existing there, then it is erased. The 2 points you must remember, and it acts like a backspace key on our keyboard. So sometimes it is required. Where it is required also I will tell you. Before that, let us see the functionality of backspace sequence through this printf statement. I am not writing entire program, and in this there are 2 exercises, and you can work on them. They may take a little more time, then you practice that. And now I will explain to you what is the output. Now you see that A, B, C are there. Thereafter, one backspace sequence is there. It erases C. First C is written, thereafter it is erased. Then D, E, F. Then one backspace sequence erases this, other backspace sequence erases this. Thereafter G, H, I. Next, one backspace sequence is there, it erases this, and thereafter J, K. Then last backspace sequence erases this. Now you see, this is the output. You cannot even imagine until unless you write it. So in this manner we can use backspace sequence, and you may get it out where we have to use. That also I clarify with a simple example. In the previous programs, we have written a mark statement. That printf statement only I am writing. Printf, new line, horizontal tab, horizontal tab, horizontal tab, marks statement. I have written like this, with the expectation of that mark statement should be moved. This is the heading, marks statement. Conventionally, what you expect, the heading should be the center of the table or center of the page. So with that expectation, you have written 3 horizontal tabs. So as a result of that, suppose M goes here, you are expecting it here, but M, because of 3 horizontal tabs, M is moved here. Or otherwise, if you remove one horizontal tab, M may come here. You do not like both. You want M should be here. Okay, then I suggest you 2 alternatives. First alternative is using backspace sequence. Now you see, you are expecting M should be M, because of 3 horizontal tabs, M is moved to here. Those are 2 spaces extra from where you are expecting. Then simply what to do? Now after this, what you are expecting? You are moving the heading 2 spaces towards left, towards backward. Just we see 3 horizontal tabs, 2 backspace sequence you put, then automatically, actually it is pushed up to here, again pulled back, then M is printed where you expect. Understand? This is one solution. Other solution is without using backspaces. Now you see, two horizontal tabs you are using, it is coming here. Thereafter, some blank characters, blank spaces you leave, whatever you require. Suppose you require 5, you 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blank characters you type, that pressing space bar, then it comes appropriate. So, somewhere for the sake of adjustment of the placement of the data, one or two spaces you have to pull backwards, you can insert backspace sequence. So, first have the tools. Now, what I am telling you, this is the state where you are learning the features, functionalities and limitations of each and every tool. Don't think of projects and all that. The day will come very shortly. You are developing projects and formally. Now you are learning about the features and functionalities of each and every tool. Each and every tool. If you learn about all the tools, the complete functionalities and all that, then when you are developing projects, you may require which tool. Suppose 26, you learned about 26 tools which are stored in your toolkit, but all may not be required. What is required and all that depends on the domain, depends on the problem domain. So then A may be required, M may be required, N may be required, X may be required, Z may be required. Before that, you should know about the functionalities of A to Z tools and the limitations also. If you do not know the limitations, you cannot handle properly. Just one example I am telling you. Printf is a writer, you know. But what limitation it is having? It cannot break its line. It is its limitation. If you do not know about that, how can you plug it? Understand? That's why I am telling you, not only strengths, its weaknesses also you should learn. Then only wherever such weakness is there, you can plug. Here one weakness of backspace sequence I tell you. With the expectation of moving the data one space towards back, left, you have written. If you ignore one fact, it erases the characters, then your objective is failed, because one important character is erased by backspace. So you should understand its not only functionalities, its limitations also. Then only you can develop perfect program.